Just wanted to show you my air fryer guide that I picked up from the Amazon team. It's really good because it is magnetic, so you can stick it to your side of your fridge so you don't lose it. And it's got these different sections here, so you know what to do to translate to how long it needs to go into the air fryer for. Because it can get very confusing because not a lot of the food these days has microwave instructions, but it doesn't have air fryer instructions. So I won't show it to you at all because of copyright, but let's just open it up there. So we've got one for lamb, pork and beef. It tells you your Fahrenheit and your Celsius and how long to cook things for there. There you go. And each page has each section has lots of information about that, and there's also some top tips and things like that in there. So as it's also magnetic, it's wiped clean, so if you get any splashes, it's just a really handy dandy little thing to have. I think they do other ones as well. This team who make these do other ones. This one's for the air fryer, and yeah, we really do recommend it. It's ever so helpful if you're quite new to air fryers and you're not quite sure what to do. It's a fab little product, and we really do recommend it.